This is Betty with Scrap Passion on One, and welcome back to my channel. I know you guys, it has been a while since I've been on here. I've been crafting a little bit here and there, but life has been extremely busy, and I'm hoping that things will slow down very soon. But I had to take out some time to create Mother's Day cards. They look forward, my mom as well as my mother-in-law, they look forward to receiving handmade cards for Mother's Day. And I had to just carve out some time to get that done. This card will be for my mom. This is more her style, and she likes this style, you know, these kind of cards that I make. I have it in this clear box here, card box, to protect it from dust. And let me take it out and share this card with you. This card measures 5 by 7. That is my favorite size card to do, is a 5 by 7 card. This card has a lot of dimension, and I use some new products, and I'll share those with you. Let me share that with you. The products that I use. Card number 1, I use my cartouche cut and emboss folders from Anna Griffin, and this is the one right here that I use, the square one. Card Centric Compendium dies, and this is a large die set. Actually, it comes with the 2 card base sizes, and then it has all of these dies in that set. And let me share the dies with you. So here are the dies right here that I use for card number 1. So in that card centric set, it comes with all of these dies as well, including the 5 by 7 card base. And also in that same set, it comes with 4.5 by 6.25 card base, as well as dies. Here's another die set. So it's a really large die set. If you like or enjoy making cards, it'll be an awesome set to pick up. And then I use some dies from this set. I'm not quite sure the name of it. I just have them all put together. But I use this bow. This is Anna Griffin. And then this sentiment here, Mom, also Anna Griffin. And here is the card again. I love how it turned out. It can really pull your card together really quickly because of all of the fancy layers that you can do. And I just used some paper from my stash. I use this die right here. This is the La La Land Filigree corner die. It's my absolute favorite corner die for my cards. And then I used a jewel here because I wanted to pull out that color rose from the paper. I wanted to pull that in. And you can see the papers I used there to just coordinate with the designer paper here. Here's this really pretty bow. I love that. And another gemstone there. And you can just see all of the dies featured here. And here's the cartouche cut and embossed die. Then I have Happy Mother's Day there. And this card, like I said, has a lot of dimension, and I use mat board on every other layer. So I use mat board to this layer, and then I skip this one and I put mat board on this one and this one and this one. So did I do this one? No, I didn't do this one, but I put a mat board behind the cartouche cut and emboss folder. So it has a lot of height. You guys know, if you follow my channel and my cards, I love very dimensional cards. They're just my favorite. Here's the inside of the card. I have that sentiment Mom right there. And then I topped it off with a gold matte. I used the same colors and the die in the inside and typed out my mom's message. And I put one of those cute butterflies there. That's actually an unbranded butterfly die that I used in the inside. And here's the back of the card. So I love how this turned out. I chose this particular designer paper because of the teal. My mom loves this color. So that's why I went with that color. So that is card number 1. I use this cute Cuttlebug embossing folder. It says created for you with love. I love this. This is really cute and handy that you can emboss this on the back of your cards. I thought this was really neat. I used the Mother's Day die by Cottage Cuts. And then I wanted to play with this new embossing folder that I picked up. It's by Simon Says Stamps, and it's called Floral Centerpiece. And then lastly, I pulled out this AliExpress butterfly die. It is so pretty, you guys. And I use one of these butterflies in the first card that I showed. And lastly, I use some Nuvo drops. Of course, I put it in one of these clear card boxes. And here is the second card. Very different from what I normally do for Mother's Day. I created this card for my mother-in-law, and you can see the beautiful embossing here on this card. After I embossed it, then I used my distress ink, and then I pulled out some paints because I wanted that paint splatter. And you can see that displayed on the front panel of this card. I used some paint splatter. And then here are the cute butterflies featured with the Nuvo drops in the center. And then here's the Mother's Day cutout from Cottage Cuts. And this card is dimensional as well. I have mat board under the first layer as well as the base layer there. I have mat board. Measures 4.5 by 6.25. Still a nice size card. I have the matte gold here as a layer on the card. And here's the inside of the card here. Now, here's what I did for the inside of the card. I actually picked up a Dollar Tree card, and I love the inside of that Dollar Tree card, and I love that it was foiled. And so I picked it up and just die cut it. And here's the back right here. It says, "Created for you with love." I just embossed that on the back. So let me share the die that I used to cut out for the inside of the card. I use this die right here, the large one in this set, and it's called Crimped Frame by The Greetery. Love that. It's so pretty. Those are my card shares for you guys today. I hope it has inspired you to go ahead and get busy with your Mother's Day card. Make sure you guys tune in for more videos. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so by hitting that subscribe and hitting the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. I'm also on Instagram at ScrapPassion01. You may want to check me out over there. And until next time, make sure you always create with love and passion. Bye.